Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2018 Ford F-350 in a platinum trim and powered by a 6.7 liter Power Stroke turbo diesel V8, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, and coming with power deployable running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, heavy duty mud flaps on the front and rear. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back seat, where you have spacious seating for three with a nice full leather interior that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo, and reveal your collapsible storage box underneath, which can be locked at the hinge for added security. And in the middle, you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as having two more in the middle here with a 12 volt, two USBs, 110 volt power outlet, and heated rear seats. This truck does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. You have power folding and telescoping towing mirrors, and you have three memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and mirrors. And since this is a platinum, you do have massaging front seats, which is nice for those long trips. Now, sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 857 kilometers. But then moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left you have your cruise controls with distance facing technology, and your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip 1 and 2 information, fuel economy, fuel history, and compass. Then you have truck info such as your gauges, tire pressures, digital speedometer, diesel exhaust fluid status, engine info, and transmission temperature. You have your towing information, off-road status, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your truck. You also have My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and CD and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. You have your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate, heated and air conditioned front seats, and a heated steering wheel. Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen so you're hopefully not going to get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your truck. Shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with a full 360 view so you can see all around your truck, with dynamic hitch views so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Above that, you have your diesel exhaust brake, your traction control shutoff, your hazards, your hill descent assist, lane keeping system, and your camera view again. Moving down, you have your media controls, and then your climate controls, your physical ones that is, again with dual zone front climate and heated and air conditioned front seats. To the left, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and trailer brake controller, and on the right you have a 12 volt and 110 volt power outlet. Moving down, you have this compartment here with two USBs, so you can plug something in from there. Looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and your tow haul mode button at the end of the stock there. Moving on to your center console area, where you have two cup holders that can be turned into 4 if you so please, and then you have your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray. Ton of room inside, including another 12 volts, so you can plug something in from there too. And looking back, you have a power sliding rear window. And looking up, you have 6 upfitters switches here, which can be wired up however you please. And last but not least, you have a twin panel moonroof to let in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.